Hello, thrill seekers. Welcome to Mind Rush. Prepare to plunge into pulse-pounding pursuits, breathtaking excitement, and the most electrifying instances captured on film. Let's get your adrenaline pumping. On July 7th, 2023, in Daytona Beach, an officer intercepts a vehicle for a basic license issue. Merely a standard encounter on a bright afternoon.
Yo.
Yes, sir. I'll turn.
Yeah, I'll turn in there, all right?
That's right.
Alpha 45, Central 12F.
And Mercedes?
10-4. He turned left on Catalina. Did you see a black Mercedes go this way? Which way? That way?
Yeah.
45 Central, I just got flagged down. He's still headed westbound on Catalina, headed towards the YMCA. It's got a cover plate, and it should be a Tim tag, Hispanic male, black hoodie.
You got a detail unit right there at Williamson. Alright, everyone's got to give us a channel. He's eastbound still. Alright, so they just can't run to the eastbound path and already trying to have a eastbound. Trying to red ball. Where the red light, almost signal forward, he's continuing eastbound. So eastbound side will come up to the Walmart. Nova now. Nova to the... Alright, kind of boxed in right now behind an ambulance. That's level 1 Nova, eastbound. Alright, backing up.
Stop! Get your fucking hands up the window! I hope they don't have a...
Turn the car off, motherfucker! Turn it off! Oh. Good job.
Please sit here, please sit here.
I ain't moving. Oh, Lord, nice. Leave your shoes. Going out. Coming up on your rear, Sheriff. Going out. Get on the ground. Do it now. Right there. Yeah, right there.
Okay. Here you go. You can stay cool.
Rest of the car's
For the
clear.
dumbest reason of all time, too. I know. You're gonna kill 15 people within the next couple of I got a clean record and everything.
He ultimately finds himself confronting accusations linked to escaping from law enforcement and associated transgressions.
Yeah, he probably...
82.
A state trooper, David Manatee, is stationed along US 82 in Chico County when a Nissan SUV cruises by and piques his interest. Something is amiss. The license plate on the SUV does not correspond with the vehicle. That provides sufficient cause.
How y'all doing? All right. Hey, Trooper 90 with Arkansas Police. Your tag's coming back to a different vehicle.
Yeah, it's Abby, friend of mine.
Okay, you got your license insurance with you? Tennessee. Alright, Mr. Cannon. Come here real quick. Come talk to me. We'll just talk right here then, okay? How much weed's in the vehicle right now?
No, what we smoked earlier.
Well, you know DWI drugs is a real thing, right?
Right.
See, whenever you say you smoked earlier, that's not a good sign, right?
He smoked earlier, I didn't.
You didn't smoke earlier?
No.
Okay, all right, y'all give me 1 second, okay?
Hey, bro.
Occupied times 3.
Yeah. She's sweet.
Come here. All right.
She gonna get out in that highway.
Come out. Excuse me, sir. Come out. Bring your back here.
Hey, buddy, go ahead and have a seat, okay? Just until I get y'all situated. Heading towards the bridge with that vehicle. 2 passengers jumped out.
All units, direct for 49 in this dispatch. Oh, yeah.
Which way is it? Target 9, CVI under Westminster Louder.
721, say dial. Correction, start over or continue speaking numbers. 1 and 3, 1 and 9.
CVI.
TVI. TVI, roll over, TVI, roll over. You can see? 10-16, we're at gunpoint. You good? We got 1 or 2? Okay, I saw them with a dog. All right. You got lethal? I got lethal. Hold on, let's go to the passenger side. Watch. I got you. Let's give a call out. Hang on, say we need cover too. You're clear over there. Hang on. I see movement. Show me your hands! 31, we see movement. We're trying to contact the driver right now. White male. He is moving. Driver! Crawl out to your back. Show us your hands. Just give him a second. He's moving. Driver! Can you move? Can you hear him? Damn. See if we can bust out that side and talk to him. I've got lethal right here, so I mean, you see anything, call it out. Okay. We're just gonna hang tight for fire and rescue, okay? Sorry, what's that, sir?
I can't put my leg up.
Okay. Hey, we're gonna help you, okay? Just hang tight. What's all this copper about? I got you. What's your name, man? Mickey? Okay. Are you from?
It appears he had a motive to flee. Cannon was the subject of an active felony warrant from Tennessee for a parole breach. As for the travelers, they anticipated the trouble. Cannon alerted them of his intent to escape, so they exited the vehicle before the situation intensified. A clever decision, they faced no accusations. Cannon, however, is apprehended. He eventually faces a litany of charges, including fleeing, lack of insurance, no registration, fraudulent plates, and even failing to wear a safety belt.